Hey, what's up, you guys? I know I thought I was going to show you guys the things that I bought yesterday. So I didn't take you guys with me at the shops because after work I was tired from the wedding day. So I just came home from the post office. My parcels. I ordered a few things from AliExpress. So I thought, okay, let me just unbox that with you guys quickly and close the vlog. So yeah, this is my first meal of the day. Like I told you, weekends I'm not really strict. I can eat but small portions. My boyfriend had the other half. Mm, 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 mm. So I'm gonna finish this off quickly. Then we do the unboxing. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. And guys, don't mind my dirty top and everything. Woke up, did a few things in the house. I fed my kids, and that's why I'm just dirty. And I took them with them at the post office, so it was hectic. Yeah, the bride was here, guys. So, guys, banyadi ba horogile. My cousin was here, so I'm done with eating. Let's get into it. So I don't know if you remember that the last time, I don't know if it's the last vlog or the other vlog, when I went to look for Sammy's shoes. I managed to get them yesterday. So I got these at Pep. I don't know if you guys can see. I've got these. They are rose gold or they gold, but they look gold, I guess. Okay, rose gold. Something like that. They have like a little heel. So yeah, I got this for my baby at Pep. Then I got my earrings for the wedding at Besco. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, these are so cute. I don't normally don't wear earrings. I don't know why. I'm just not an earring person. So, but on that day, I'm gonna do it for my cousin. Then I got this eyeshadow palette. I got this. So it looks like when you open it, this is how it looks. Yes, it has 63 color eyeshadow powder. It has so many colors, guys. You will die of options. Like it, and it has a mirror here. So it's super cute. I'm gonna use it a whole lot. And I'm always going for subtle colors like your nude colors. Okay, just a moment. Baby, volume. Please reduce the volume. Just put it at 9 or 8. More. Sounds good. At 9. Okay, that's fine. Okay, guys. So, the eyeshadow palette. Then I got this pink dress. It's a yo just the designer. Like really, I'm gravitating nowadays. Hakizi. I'm just a pink girl. I'm on my pink girl era. It has this. I think it's the same shape as this, the top that I'm wearing. So this is how it looks. yeah, it's really, really short. So sorry, am I gonna wear it inside the house or going out or what? I don't know. I'll see when I fit it. And guys, I'm thinking I should start doing like try on hauls for you guys. I shouldn't just show you how it looks. I should show you how it looks on me, especially Ronadi plus size, the thick lashes. Then I got eyelashes. These eyelashes are so cute. This is a brand of Wendy Beauty. Another Wendy Beauty. Sami, no, you're disturbing Mommy Nana. Huh? I'll show them, okay? Um, yeah, these are okay. These these three are giving me supernatural. They're really whiskey and they are not that long. Sami, please stop doing or go to date because mommy's working. Are the ones that look a bit proper for my eyes because I have really small eyes and yeah. So I got 4 of these and I went to Discount and get the first time get on a go Discount and I told myself, yeah, batla these 2 things and I'm getting out of Discount. I'm not going to look at any other shelf, get in and out. So because I was in a hurry to go to the tailor, I managed to get only those 2 things from Discount. So I got the Surgical Spirit, this brand, because I'm still trying to heal my nose piercing and I'm avoiding any infections and stuff like that. So I got this because the one that I've been using is really finishing and yeah. And then I got this lip gloss for Essence. You like it? You want to try it? I got this Essence lip gloss. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it for our people and see how it feels.
It's pink.
Is it pink? No, I don't want it to be pink.
I want it to be purple.
No, I want it to be shiny and just like a little shade. I don't want it to have color.
And
but it has like a mint flavor and it's really tingling.
yes.
It smells good, right?
Yeah.
With this. Okay, this feels good, guys. It's a good buy. Pretty in Pink 103. It's the Pretty in Pink 103 in Discount. Okay, learn Lenny on to learn also. Sorry, guys. My sister wants me to learn swimming, so she'll be handling that. So I had to get a few things for Sammy. I had to get her a swimming costume. Do you like it, Nana? Look at it. How cute is this, guys? I got it in jet. I love how sportish and stylish this is. I hope it fits her. We're gonna have to fit you this now and see if it's fitting you. Then you can start your swimming lessons. So she's gonna get 5 swimming lessons in a month at Vision Active. So I need to get another swimming costume. At least she has 2, because the ones that she had, that way too small for her. She's a tall girl. She's a big
Here,
girl
guys, my
now.
boyfriend was trying
So
to
those ones are
attempt to
not
do the
fitting her.
unboxing for you guys,
So
but
yeah,
it
I
was an
think we're
epic
done with what we
fail.
got
So
yesterday.
he realized
So
how
now
hard
let's
this is.
unbox the
Let's get on
exciting
to the
part, the things that
AliExpress
I bought
unboxing.
from
So see
AliExpress.
you on the
Oh,
next
I don't know if they're
video,
gonna come the
part
way they
2,
looked
baby.
on the cards and stuff. So yeah, let's get